Hello, good morning, teacher. How to compare different cultures. Your latest Eneco Villamizar, Corporación Universitaria del Caribe, SECAR, CAU, El Doncello. Okay. In the United States and Colombia, there are drink, water, treatment plants, and aqueducts, while in Sudan they do not have these benefits. The water is many meters below the ground, and to extract it where are needs that their inhabitants neither know nor can build. In the United States and Colombia, there are companies for the supply of electric, while in Sudan they use solar energy to supply them. The education real in Sudan is extremely poor due to the lack of school quality teachers and materials. The majority of teachers in the country are unhired and do not have teaching materials. In Colombia and United States, there are facilities for students. Her teachers are trained every day to provide better quality of life. The quality of life in Sudan is widely considered that there is a lot of poverty, while in States, United States and Colombia everything is different. There is employment and it adds rich flora and fauna, which allows understanding and combating poverty. Okay, teacher, thank you.